The new Piccadilly Line. What's really inside the 2025 trains? For over half a century, the London Underground Piccadilly Line has run on ghosts. Not Victorian ghosts. 1973 ghosts. Trains built when flared trousers were fashionable. When Heathrow had just one main terminal. When the internet didn't exist. They have rattled through the clay beneath London for 50 years. Hot. Loud. Loyal. But now, something new is emerging from the tunnels. And it may be the most important deep tube upgrade in a generation. The London Underground Piccadilly Line is no sleepy branch. It connects Heathrow to the West End, King's Cross to Kensington. Tourists, commuters, cabin crew, students. It is one of London's great arteries. And its 1973 stock, iconic though it is, was never built for 2025. No air conditioning, narrow gangways, aging motors, rising breakdowns. The line was wheezing. So TfL made a decision. Not to refurbish, to replace. Entirely. At first glance, the new trains look different. Sleeker, more European, more future. They are longer internally. Fully walk-through. Open gangways from end to end, something the Piccadilly Line has never had. That single change increases capacity dramatically. No more trapped carriages. No more this one's full while the next is half empty. For the first time in 50 years, the Piccadilly Line breathes. Step inside and the mood changes instantly. Bright LED lighting. Wider doors. Clear digital route maps. Dedicated wheelchair spaces. CCTV everywhere. This is not a cosmetic facelift. It's a philosophical shift. The seating is more longitudinal, fewer cozy clusters, more standing room. Some will mourn the old layout. But London in 2025 moves differently than London in 1973. These trains are designed for flow, for volume, for speed. And yes, there is air cooling. Not the full climate-controlled luxury of the Elizabeth Line, but a deep tube revolution nonetheless. Here's what most passengers will never see. These trains are lighter, smarter, quieter. They use regenerative braking, feeding power back into the system as they slow. They are built to work with modern signaling, allowing more trains per hour through tunnels first bored in the Edwardian era. It is Victorian infrastructure meeting 21st century engineering. And somehow, it works. For decades, parts of the deep tube felt hostile to anyone who didn't move quickly. That changes here. Lower floor height, clearer displays, improved priority areas, better announcements. It's subtle. Are they flawless? No. There are fewer traditional seats. Some question whether cooling is enough for peak summer heat. And rollout across the entire line will take years. For a while, old and new will coexist. 1973 sharing tunnels with 2025. A strange, metallic time warp. This isn't just about one line. If these trains succeed, similar deep-level stock could transform other lines across the network. The Piccadilly Line is the test case. The prototype. The signal of what's coming next. Beneath London streets, change is rarely dramatic. It hums quietly through tunnels. It arrives without fanfare. But sometimes, it marks the end of an era, and the beginning of another. So here's the question. Are these new trains a long overdue evolution? Or has the Piccadilly Line lost a little of its 1973 soul? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoy exploring the hidden systems that keep London alive, subscribe. Because beneath this city, there's always another story waiting in the dark.